Welcome to the Shit Show. My name is Saida Simon and this is my friend Chris van Lith.
Today we have our lesson 4 from the Swiss-German lessons Bern style. On our last video we had a comment from our viewer Jennifer, and today we try to learn to teach these few words like hi, how are you, nice to meet you. So now let's start with the first word, how we can say, an example how we can say hi in German.
Hallo.
And in Swiss German, Bern style,
Hallo.
we see it's often possibly the same. But we have also other words in Swiss German. We have a lot of words also in the Bern part. So we have for you another word for hi.
Ciao.
And the meaning in German is like the same.
Hallo.
In this second part, you learn with us how you can say how are you? And how are you? You can say in German
Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es euch?
That's for one person or for more people. And in Swiss German it's more simple and we say it like
Wie geht's?
the third part of the video of the Swiss German lesson number 4 today is sorry.
Excuseer, dames en heren.
Is nice to meet you. And nice to meet you, you can write and say it in German like
Schön dich kennenzulernen. Schön euch kennenzulernen.
And in Swiss German, in the Bern part, we just say
Freut mich.
I hope you enjoyed our lesson number 4 today. I know we had a little break, we didn't make some videos, so further we try to make the videos more often to be more active. And until then, just if you want to know some more words, some more expressions, or you want to learn some other things, just write it down in the comment. And thank you very much, Jennifer, for your comment. So then at the end, let's say just Slancha and
See ya.
Excuseer, dames en heren.